Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we are going to learn about how to create AOL mail account on your Android device. But before moving on to our video, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us in the near future. Now, moving back to creating AOL mail account on your Android device. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet and also AOL mail application is installed on your Android device. Or if not, you can also use the web page. Then open the application and then on the top left hand side you will see a profile icon. Press there and go to manage accounts. Then you will be taken into another page saying sign in or create an account. Press create an account. Then there you have to enter your first name, your surname, your email address, a suggested password, your mobile number, your birthday month, day and year. Then you will also have to enter your Zenda. While entering your mobile number, don't forget to enter your country code. If you don't know your country code, you can also Google it. Then press acknowledge. After pressing acknowledge, it will ask you to verify your phone number. Then press text me a verification code. After pressing that option, it will ask you to verify your phone number by sending you a verification code that you have to enter on the application. Your phone number will be successfully verified and you will be successfully logged into AOL account on your Android device. I hope today's tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.